Didn't take long. Yeah,
I just broke through right there.
Don't talk to me.
Someone got it stuck. Not naming any names. Scotty.
Oh, that's not even that bad, really.
You see? Did you get it on video breaking that side?
Yep.
This is all hard.
You are covered.
Dude, Zach's way worse.
Is he?
He hit one spot, and there was like just a thing of mud, like liquid mud. Just his pants. He was literally wiping mud off of himself with a towel, trying to get that stuff off.
Oh my god.
He has black pants on, and they're 100% brown. With mud rolling down.
Why is the machine that dirty in the first place?
Someone got it stuck. Not naming any names. Scotty. He was being a very bad boy. I got it stuck too, though. After he did. You guys over there pulling the soap fence out.
By hand?
No, the excavator. I probably need to go check on him, honestly. You could fly the drone over there and just stalk him. What a bad deal.
Anyway, this looks a lot different than the last time I was here as well. We have made a driveway in front of the barn and excavated this pad for another building. And then here, there's going to be a wall that we're building out of bin blocks. So, hold this all back. It's going to be really nice. Walk over to the berm that we made for the shooting range. Check that out. Oh, that's not even that bad, really.
It's not?
The blocks for the wall are just now arriving, so we're gonna get them loaded and get started on that. I'm working my way down to the berm that we created, and we also pulled quite a bit of material out of this. There was a little hill here that he was gonna have to shoot over, and we pulled a lot of that material out, so it's a lot more flat now for shooting down through here. Yeah, they weren't kidding. When they were trying to move all of this material, the top 2 or 3 foot of it was okay. And then once you got down to the bottom 2 or 3 feet, it was just awful. They got that high lift stuck a couple of times. I know a lot of people call that a track loader. That's the same thing. I don't know why it's called that here, but almost everybody calls it a high lift. Anyway. This is the start of the berm. We're definitely not finished here, but this is just gonna have to dry out before we're able to do too much more with it, because it's really bad. Really bad. It's like everywhere you walk, it's either really hard or really soft. Gross. And this is all decent clay. I mean, it looks like clay, a lot of it. Oof. That's gonna need some time to sit, and then we'll be able to get it right. I got the right idea. It's 200 yards from where he wants to shoot. So from here up to there. Pretty cool. Sometimes we have to work backwards. We had this all filled in and on grade with gravel, and I was walking across there and this whole section was pumping. So we're pulling all of this material out. All of this minus rock is just full of water and just not good material. So we're pulling all of this out and replacing it with 1-inch clean. And we'll compact that really good so it doesn't pump like it was. The rest of it's fine. Luckily it's only this one section, but it's a little frustrating. You can see this is what we pulled out of there. Just couldn't get any compaction to it. I don't know. Not good, Charlie. Oh, we're making it right. This is what it looks like just before we're about to start laying blocks. So we've got everything set up, and I think it's going to be, they just said 15 across the front with one on each side, and 2 high, so 30 blocks total or so. It's going to look good. This is a pond project that we finished last summer that 2 neighbors share, and unfortunately they don't get along. So this is what it's looking like now. Originally this was just one pond, and we cut out the dam on this side and expanded the dam, and we're back here to just do a little bit of cleaning up. I noticed that the fence goes across the lake now. It wasn't like that when we left it. Interesting. She's also added a fountain. This place looks really good. Some erosion, but not bad. These are our original flags of what the water line was going to be. Perfect. It's right on the money. Spillway. Looks like it's working well. A little bit of erosion, but just needs a little maintenance, that's all. A little settling, I guess. Looks killer. Today we're removing the remnants of this burn pile. When we started this entire dam was all covered in brush and debris, and there's still some left over. Hauling all that out of here today. So for whatever reason, these neighbors can't get along, so this is how it's got to be. Each get your own pond, and what's that? I guess, I don't know. I'd probably just try to be friends with him. Like, hey man, sorry. I don't know. Not today. This is the portion of dam that we created. This wasn't here before, and it has developed really nicely. So all the grasses come in. There's virtually no erosion back here. The only erosion that's happening on the back is at the end of our spillway, which is normal, but it's plenty far away from anything structural within the dam. This one turned out good. I'm happy with this.